Affiliate marketing have completely changed my life, and I want to share my experience and knowledge with you.
In this affiliate marketing tutorial, I'll be taking you through everything you need to know to start earning a passive income through affiliate marketing in 10 easy steps, even if you have no prior experience or technical skills. But this won't be the average affiliate marketing tutorial, as I'm going to be sharing my tips, my tricks and strategies to help you succeed in the affiliate marketing business. To achieve this, we'll be using ChatGPT and 3 other websites. I'll be sharing my own personal experiences and insight so you can learn from my mistakes and of course my successes. I'll be answering your questions throughout this video, and I encourage you to ask the other questions that you might have in the comment section of this video, and I can promise you that I'm going to be right there to answer all of your questions. On your screen right now are results that I've gotten from my own affiliate marketing endeavors. And I can assure you that if you do the exact same thing I'm going to be teaching you in today's video, you're going to be getting the exact same results. So if you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Gerald, and I make this around making money online. So what I do is that I try things out, they work. I come right here and show you guys exactly what I've done. And the whole idea is that you can do the exact same thing and of course get the exact same results. So that's it guys, let's jump right into my laptop and let me show you guys exactly how to make money online with affiliate marketing in this affiliate marketing tutorial guys, and let's go. Okay, so like I said, there are 10 different steps, right? And the first one is finding the right product to promote. So now, how do you find the right product? Now, most times people actually make the mistake of mistaking affiliate marketing for affiliate marketing networks, no? Right? So affiliate marketing networks are basically networks that has a lot of affiliate programs inside of it. And they are what we call standalone affiliate product. Now, one of the best affiliate products I've promoted is actually Fiverr.com. I actually made over $10,000 on Fiverr.com. So Fiverr is an online marketplace and it has an affiliate program, which I love so much. And I've actually done over $10,000 on this particular platform. So to find the right product, what you need to do is to pay attention to a product you actually use. So this way you actually know the problems that that particular product is providing a solution for. So that way you know exactly how the people that need that product think. Let me give you an instance. If you use the script for subtitling, right? The script has an affiliate program. So you know that people who actually need the script are people who want to do transcription or subtitle their videos or caption their videos or stuff like that. So you know that you should be targeting people who wants to actually subtitle their video, or people who wants to caption their video, or people who wants to transcribe their audio or video. So because you use this product, you know the problem that this product is solving. Right? So you know exactly how to target these people. So let's say we want to promote Fiverr affiliate, for instance. So what you need to do is to click on the first link in the description. It's going to bring you to a Fiverr affiliate interface. Set up an account on Fiverr, and you're going to be logged into an interface like this. So come to marketing tools right here, go to default and deep links, and of course copy your affiliate link, which is this Fiverr CPA or hybrid. Now for me, I use Fiverr CPA, right? If you want me to explain what this means, let me know in the comment section and I will explain that in the subsequent video, or I'll just respond to you in the comment section explaining exactly what the difference between Fiverr CPA and Fiverr hybrid, right? So we're going to copy our affiliate link, right? And we're going to open Notepad right here and drop it in right here. Now this is our affiliate link. So what happens is that we are going to be giving this affiliate link to individuals. So when people actually click on this affiliate link and buy something on Fiverr, Fiverr is going to be enough for the commission. That's exactly how I made over $10,000 with Fiverr affiliate. Now, this brings us to the second thing on our list. Number 2, create an account on System.io, which is system.io, right? The link to this particular platform is in this video description below. So if you come to System.io right here, what we need to do is to set up an account. So I'm going to set up an account right now. So I'm going to put in my email here, right? So I'm going to hit get my free account. So it brings me right here, almost there. You need to confirm your email address by clicking on the link we just emailed to you. So I'm going to go to my email here. And this is the email from System.io. So I'm going to click here, click on this confirmation link, right? And this is going to open up. Now, for System.io, okay, I actually have a paid version, which is going to be giving you all of this. If you pay $16 per month, instead of the $27. And this will only happen if you actually click on the second link in the video description to actually get here. That's where you're going to be getting all of this, right? Because you're going to be getting 5,000 contacts, 10 A and B tests, unlimited email sent, unlimited file storage, 10 sales funnel, self-school products, 5 blogs, 5 courses, unlimited students, email support for 7 days a week, 10 automation rules, 5 communities, affiliates, program management. You're going to be getting all of these for $16 every single month. I think it's fair, right? But for this tutorial, we're going to be using the free version of System.io. So what I'm going to do right now is to come back here. So it says choose a password. So I'm going to put a password. I'm going to say I'm not a robot. Okay, so I'm going to hit save here, and this is going to save. So this is the System View interface, right? We have chosen an affiliate program to promote, and we have set up an account on System View. So what's the third step? Create an account on ChatGPT, right? If you click on the third link in this video description, it's going to bring you to the ChatGPT interface. So what you need to do is to click on sign up to actually set up an account. It's very easy to do, and it's completely free, right? But I already have an account, so I'm going to come to login and actually log into my own account on ChatGPT. I'm going to put in my email address here, continue. Then I'm going to put in my password here, right? Then I'm going to hit continue, and I'm going to be logged into ChatGPT. Again, it's completely free, and it's very, very, very easy to do. Now that brings us to the fourth step, which is create an opt-in page on System View, right? So let's go back to System View. So that is why this is very systematic, right? So we'll come back to System View right here and go to funnels, right? So come to funnel, it's showing 0 funnels. I'm going to come here to create a funnel. So what do you want to do? Name, let's call this Fiverr, right? Domain. So this is showing online hustle channel, which is the email I used, the system.io, because this is the free version, right? If you actually pay for a domain, you can actually change this into your domain. But do not worry about this for now. This is actually very, very, very relevant as for now. So what do you hope to achieve? Build an audience, basically. So I'm going to click on this. Currency, just leave this as it is. And hit save, right? So our funnel has been created. So what we need to do right now is to click on the funnel name right here. If you click on it, it's going to bring you to this interface. So here it says step configuration. So let's find a template that we want to use for this opt-in page, right? I'm going to be explaining why. Just stay with me as we proceed. So I'm going to come down right here. There's a particular one that I like. Okay, this one, right? I'm going to hit select, right? And this is it right here. So what I need to do right now is to actually name this. I'm going to say Fiverr squeeze page. I'm going to say Fiverr squeeze page. I'm going to come here, copy the URL, right, of our squeeze page, and come to the notepad here and say squeeze page or opt-in page link. I'm going to drop it here, right? It's safe. So I'm going to come here, click on edit page to actually edit this page and make it look exactly how we want it to look. Beautiful. So I'm going to hit save, right? And if you want to preview what this actually looks like right now, you can click on this place. It's going to open a new tab, and you're going to be seeing what this page looks like. So you see, we're going to remove this. So this is red. There's the form here, and there's a red bar at the bottom also, right? So I'm going to close this because it's fine the way it is. That's what we actually want. It's fine the way it is. So I'm going to come here now and hit exit. Now this is the next page. So when this form is submitted, where should it go to next? So this is it right here. So I'm going to click on this to open it, right? I'm going to choose any of this, basically. So let's say I want to work with this. I'm going to hit select, right? So this is the template that we want to use. I select this. Then I come here and go to edit. To actually edit it, basically. Thanks. I'm going to remove all this. I say thanks. Kindly check your email. So I'm going to remove all of this. We don't need it. Okay, good. I'm going to say save changes and exit. Right, so we're done with our squeeze page and the thank you page. We're done with that. So what next do we need to do? We need to automate our email so that once people actually get messages, this system sends an email to them automatically. So we need to write that email. So the next step we're going to be doing is write email sequence with ChatGPT, right? So remember we created an account with ChatGPT earlier. Right now it is time to actually use ChatGPT. Let me show you how to do that. So I can come to ChatGPT right now. So yeah, so what we're going to do right now is to come here. I've actually written this down. Write 10 email headlines to promote Fiverr as an affiliate. So Fiverr is what we are promoting. So I'm going to copy this and put it right here inside ChatGPT. I hit enter. So it's writing those headlines for us right now, right? Okay, once it's done, I'm going to say, write the body of these emails, right? I'm going to hit enter. So it's writing the body of the email. Okay, this is fine. So I'm going to copy this subject. I'm going to copy this, right? So I'm going to come back to System here, select the squeeze page, automation rules, right? Add rule, funnel step form subscribe. So I'm going to click on this, add action. I send email, right? So it says choose email. I'm going to select this. Subject. I'm going to drop subject here. Now the body of the email, I'm going to come back to ChatGPT. I have written the email. This is the body of the first email that he has written for us. I'm going to copy this, come back to system here. So this is their recipient. So you need to say the name of the recipient. So if it's Gerald, it's going to say Gerald. So I'm going to copy this tag here, this attribute here. I'll replace this with that. All right. Then your name goes in here, right? So I'm going to come here, center this, bold, click here to get started. So I'm going to highlight this, click on this to turn this into a link. Now let's go and get our Fiverr affiliate link, right? This is where it becomes important. I'm going to copy this now, come back here, drop this in and hit OK, right? So this becomes a link. Then I'm going to put in your name here, the name of sender, Gerald. I'm going to come here and hit save, right? That's the first thing you need to do. Do this and hit save. So it's going to send this email. Now, there's one more thing. I'm going to come to automation here and come to rules. It's important, pay attention. For funnel, I'm coming to automations right now. Come to automations, go to rules, right? Very important. So this is loading up. While this is loading up, I want to encourage you, if you're getting any value from this video, I want to encourage you to smash the like button on this video, subscribe to my channel, and most importantly, turn on the notification button so that when I drop more amazing video just like what you are watching right now, YouTube is going to send you a notification instantly, guys. So it opens up this interface. I'm going to click on this funnel step form subscribe. I'm going to click on it, right, to complete the automation. So what triggers this email? When this event happens, funnel step form subscribe. So when somebody actually fills the subscribe form, right, and they come here and here, so what should happen? You should do this. So I'm going to come here and set this rule. I'm going to say send email. Choose the email. This is the email that you should send when this happened, right? When this happens, send this email. I'm going to say save rule, right? It says rule has been updated successfully. So what this means is that when somebody actually comes to that page, right, and fills out their details, they're going to be getting an email instantly. We're going to be particularizing this to actually see how it works. So the question is this: how do you now drive traffic to that particular page, that opt-in page, where people are going to be putting their email address, right, so that you can automate the emails that's going out to them? How do you actually send traffic there? Now, let me show you how to do that, right? The next thing we need to do is to create an account on Quora, right? So right here, right now, you see Quora.com. If you click on the appropriate link in this, it's going to bring you to Quora.com. So if you come here right now, you're going to click on sign up with an email, actually set up an account on Quora. Well, I already have an account. So what I'm going to do is to click on login to actually log into my own account, right? So our account has been created right now. So the next thing we need to do is the 7th step, which is find questions on Quora, right? Now the question is this: the people who are looking to use Fiverr, what kind of questions are they asking? So let's say I want to ask, how do I get a good logo, right? I want to see, how do I get a logo? I'm going to click on this, right? And it's going to show me a couple of questions that are related to my own question I would have asked in the past. How do I find a good logo designer? Where do I get a logo designed? These are all questions that people have asked. So I'm going to click on this and it's going to open a new tab, right? Let me click on a second one. It's going to also open a new tab. Now, before we actually look at this, right, I'm going to be showing you something very interesting because this is something that I do myself, right? I'm not telling you to go and do something that I've not done, I've not tried before, right? So if you come here right now and go to my profile and go to content and stats, right, it's going to show you the amount of traffic that I'm getting from this single Quora account. Now, right here, it says that the last 30 days, I've gotten over 1,198 views, right? Now, on this date, April 17th, I got 104 views. Most of the answers here are things that I wrote like years ago, right? I'm not even writing on this particular account actively anymore, but you can see the numbers right here. Now, if you go to this, is something that I wrote 53 minutes ago. 53 minutes ago, it has 22 views, right? With 1 vote and 1 comment. Now, if I go back here and go to maybe past 30 months, this is going to increase, right? 4,000. If I go to past year, this is going to increase over 21,000. If I go to all time, it's actually going to increase further, over 69,000, right? So we have found questions. We have found questions on Quora. Now, the next thing for us to do is to answer these questions with ChatGPT. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to come here to the question that we found. This one says, where do I get a good logo design? Followers, 214. This means that 214 people are following this question right now. So any answer you ask right here, they're going to be notified, right? So this particular one right here says, how do I find a good logo design? This one has 488 followers, right? So let's say, for instance, I want to answer this question. I want to go with this one. Where do I find a good logo design, right? I'm going to come back to ChatGPT right here, come to new chat, and tell ChatGPT, write an article answering the question, but talk about an amazing platform without mentioning any platform. I'm going to hit enter, right? So let ChatGPT do this for us. So I'm going to come here right now, copy this, right? And I always talk about this. Whenever you use ChatGPT to write anything for you, always sit down and go through what it has written and actually edit what it has written, right? There's a human element that actually makes these things perfect, right? These are machines. So you have to actually sit down, read everything and actually fix it to make it sound human. Okay, so I'm going to come back here to Quora, click on answer, right? And actually answer this question. So I'm going to say, where do I get a good logo design? I'm going to click here, Control V, what I copied from ChatGPT. I'm going to put it right here. Now, we have answered the question on Quora. Now, most people will just come here and click on post. Please do not do that, right? Because we need to redirect this traffic somewhere that we can actually sell something to them. And that brings us to the next step. And that next step is integrate the opt-in page to these answers. So let's do that right now, okay? So I'm going to come here now and say, click here to find out where, Control Z, I always get my logo designed. I'm going to click on this, right? Let's go get our opt-in link, this one right here. I'm going to copy this now. To come back here, highlight this, click on this A right here, select this URL, Control V this, hit add. So this place becomes a link, right? So I'm going to hit post right now. And this is going to be published on Quora right now, right? So this is published on Quora right now. So this is what I'm going to do. Once people come here and actually see this, they're going to click on this link. And once they click on this link, it's going to bring them to your opt-in page. This page right here is going to bring to this page. So what they need to do is to put in their name here, right? Their email address. I'm going to put in my email address right here. So you hit submit, right? So you are not putting your affiliate link on Quora, right? So it's going to bring you to this interface. Kindly check your email. So what I'm going to do right now is actually check that email. So let's go check that email. Okay, so this is my email. This is the email right here. See, the email came immediately, right? It's right here in my email. And people, they're just going to click on this, right? And once they get this email inside of their mailbox, they're going to click on this email, right? And it says, dear, the person's name is showing up right here. Okay, we didn't fix it. We should fix this and actually put your name here, right? We should actually edit this and put your name here. So I'm going to click on this place. It's going to take them straight to Fiverr's homepage through your affiliate link. And if they set up an account on Fiverr right now, or whatever it is that they buy on Fiverr right now, you're going to be getting the commission instantly, right? This is very easy to do. It might seem a little confusing, but all you need to do is to sit down and practicalize it. And you'll see that it's actually very, very simple to do, right? If you have any questions at all, no matter how funny it sounds, put it right there in the comment section. And I'm going to be here to answer all of your questions, right? So if you've not done that, I want to encourage you again to smash the like button on this video, subscribe to my channel, most importantly, turn on the bell notification button so that when I drop more amazing videos just like what you just watched right now, YouTube is going to send you a notification instantly. And feel free to share this video with your friends on WhatsApp or Facebook so that they can benefit for the web of information that you have just benefited from this particular video, guys. So if you want to watch my video on how to actually make money on YouTube, this video showing up right here is going to show you guys exactly how to do that, guys. And if you want to watch my video on how to make money on Fiverr with ChatGPT, this video showing down right here is going to show you guys exactly how to do that, guys. So until I see you in my next video, keep winning. And don't forget that Gerald does love you guys. Bye from here, guys.